What is SEO? SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization and is the practice of increasing the quality and quantity of traffic to your website through organic search engine results. Organic traffic is any traffic which you do not pay for. So here's an example from Google. As you can see, I went over to Google and I typed in yoga mat, and from that keyword, I get multiple listings on the page. The first type of listing I get is what we call the Google shopping ads, which is this big section up here. You can tell it's an ad as it says sponsored in the top right hand corner. Below that we have another ad as it says ad right there, and then below that we have the organic listings. So when you optimize a website correctly for SEO, you're going to appear in the organic section. So why is SEO important? SEO is super important for numerous reasons. If I go back to my example I just showed you of yoga mat, if your business provides yoga mats, but your website does not show up for a search of yoga mats, then you're missing out on a ton of sales. While paid advertising, social media, and other online platforms generate traffic to websites, the majority of online traffic is driven by search engines. On top of that, organic search results cover more digital real estate, appear more credible to savvy searchers, and receive way more clicks than paid advertisements. For example, of all US searches, only 2.8% of people clicked on paid advertisements. That statement alone should tell you why and how important SEO is.